suppose if any object is thrown at an angle of theta, so of course it would form a projectile motion.
Yes.
Okay. So what will be this angle? Suppose this is initial velocity u. What will be the base velocity then?
U cos theta.
Okay, so ux will be u cos theta, and this will be
U
uy sin theta. Perfect. Okay, so now as the object is thrown, now you can see on x-axis there is no acceleration, no? And
Yeah.
on y-axis the
Negative G.
acceleration minus g. Perfect. Okay, so over here minus g, and at the topmost point your vy will be, what will be the velocity of y in y component of velocity will be at topmost point?
0.
0. Good. And x component will remain same because there is no acceleration.
Same.
So
Yes.
same ux. Suppose originally x is something 8 or something. So over here also it will remain 8. At this point also x vx will remain same 8. Correct?
Yes.
This will be vx at okay. And suppose if originally your y component is, suppose we, let's say 5. So as at this point it would reduce because due to the acceleration is on the negative direction. So it would reduce. Suppose over here it's 4, then it will become 3, and at topmost point it will become 0, and then again it will increase. Correct, na? So all these concepts are here. Yeah. So okay, just can you derive time of flight for me?
Okay.
I can't this one, your page or something.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. So just derive not that part. Yeah.
You will have to give me the total path also, right? Like x, the total distance range.
No, I won't. That is not required in range. Without range also you can do. Although it's R, but in formula R is not there. Okay, I am just giving
No,
you
no,
U,
x.
U and theta. Just two things are there.
Okay.
Okay, so along X. Okay, let's derive this time of flight. So along X, what you have, it's Ux, which is equal to U cos theta. And in Y direction, we have Uy, which is U sin theta.
Yes.
Okay. Then acceleration is minus G. Over here, it's 0. So how you will find time of flight? We just have these two things.
Okay. I'll try.
Okay, yeah, yeah. You just tell me, but okay, what you will use. See, we can use to derive time of flight. What we can use, see, at topmost point.
There will use S is equal to UT plus half AT square to get the height, and then you'll find
Even
the
that is
time through
okay.
that.
Pay attention. Pay attention. See, Vy will be equal to 0. So I think
Yes.
over on y while we consider the y direction, we have many things. So t is question mark. So I think which formula you will use? V
V is
equal
equal
to,
to U plus 80.
you just apply this and get the value of t. So we will have half time. That is not complete time of flight. That is the time taken from this point. Suppose this is O to A.
U sin theta by T by G
Oh, good.
is equal to half T.
Okay.
So 2U
So,
sin theta
so
by
0 equal to U sin theta minus GT.
yeah,
So T equal to U sin theta. And total will be what then? Because this
2U
is
sin.
symmetric. Yeah, perfect. 2U sin theta by G. Okay. So this is one way of calculating time. Even we can do like this also. Na? On y direction, as you see, the distance covered is 0. Na? See, from here,
Yeah.
I'm talking about y. So from here, it's again resting or coming at same point. So we can also do like this also. S equal to ut plus half
Yeah.
gt.
This
I'm
will
writing
be
80 square first. S equal to ut, and in this case, if you consider S0, this we are doing by y only, considering y direction. So the object was going, starting from here, it's again, although it's coming over here from O to B, but it's coming on same na ground only, na, it's coming back.
yes, yes.
So overall the distance covered is 0. So if you try by this way also, you will get time of flight as same. If you want, you can
Yes.
try it out. But in this case, it would be complete time of flight, not half. So t minus half g. I'm writing capital T because that's a total time taken for this flight.
Yes.
Clear? So both the ways, I think it's clear. Na? This is the only two way which we can.
Yes.
Now you can just tell me what will be the maximum height.
Okay.
Pay attention. All calculations will
S
be
is
done through
equal.
y-axis only because x, so there is no acceleration
Yeah.
only. Na?
Yes.
So you can't apply all these formulas, and there is no.
Yes.
So what is the answer? H max.
Finding that.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Yeah. Just tell me which formula you are applying.
S is equal to UT plus half AT square.
Okay. But if sometimes if time is not given, then generally what we consider, we time h and range. We don't consider. We just consider this only because in exam generally they give u and theta. So time and all that things are not given
Oh,
generally. So it's always better that
can't
you.
we use that formula of time, like time of flight divided by 2?
Which one?
can't you use time of flight divided by 2? So that's basically u sine theta by g.
Over here, from O to A, you are saying?
Yes.
Okay, so you can use like this, but generally, what in exam they don't, matlab general formulas, na, they don't give all derivations, na, time of flight and all that things are not included. Just u and theta.
We have already derived that time of flight using u and theta, right?
So, okay, let me explain you. So
Okay.
v square, just write down this formula: v square equal to u square plus 2as, vy equal to 0. Why I'm using it? Because in exams, na, generally they don't give time of flight.
Yes.
They just give u and theta. So 0 equal to u sine theta
U square sine square theta by 2g.
perfect. So h, I think you should write somewhere all this formula in your textbook or something.
Yes.
This also we have done. Now can you try down range, this horizontal range?
Yes. Mm,
Same, all only consider u and theta. So which formula you will be using?
horizontal range, so vertical again. Then
Because horizontal range they have given us, so I think we have to use
that's
x.
horizontal displacement. Yes,
Yeah, so
x.
x, along x you can use, so ux equal to u cos theta, a ax equal to 0.
We'll have to use the time we
Time,
got
yeah,
from
yeah, yeah.
y.
You have to, in this case, you have to use the time.
So we can use s is equal to ut plus.
Yeah,
S is equal to ut.
s equal to ut. Perfect. Just try down and get the answer.
Acceleration is 0, right?
Acceleration is 0, so
Oh,
this part will become 0.
okay. Yeah.
So instead of s, I am directly writing range r.
U sine theta, u cos theta by g, or u square sine theta cos theta.
Okay, so you got this like this only, no?
Yes. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a formula: sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta.
Okay.
You are not aware now of this formula, trigonometry.
No.
Okay, so
No.
don't worry, because why this is important, because I then the next part when I will explain you, just write down this much. Then I will explain you why this is important. So horizontal range will be maximum at which angle? So we pay attention. Your R we got
45.
is u square. Yeah, 45. So theta equal to 45 degree, the R will be maximum.
Because at 90 degree, because at sine 2
Sine,
into 45 and 90, it is 1.
so sine 90 is the maximum value, which is 1.
Yes.
Okay, so now we'll start with questions. Now just write down that formulas